Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Resident Evil 7 stuttering or out of sync sound. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up the game. Alright, I'm not going to open it right here because I'm lagging. I'm going to lag. Okay, so just basically go to options or the game options, then hover over graphics. Now find frame rate and you'll be able to see an option called variable. Set it to variable. Okay, now find texture filtering and set it to medium, shadow cache to off, reflections to variable. Okay, you can go ahead and pause the video and check it. All right, now once that's done, just hit on continue and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, the game works perfectly fine, okay, but your sound is out of sync, it's laggy, or it cuts off. So what do we do? So just go ahead and open up Steam. Or let's just go and find it directly. Open up your file explorer, local disk C, program files x86, Steam, double click, find Steam apps, common, and in here you'll be able to see what? Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. Okay, so just double click on it. And in this file section, just go and find the file called, it is an extension that is named MSS Spatial, okay, or msspatial.dll. Okay, that one. So if you can find it, make a copy, right click and copy, paste it on your desktop. This will be your backup. Delete this one, close, and launch the game from Steam. And after that, you should be good to go. Okay. If it caused any problem, just find the directory and bring it back. Okay, that's basically it. That is how you fix Resident Evil 7 stuttering and out of sync sound. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.